Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to split Word document into two columns. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. There are two ways to split a text into two columns. The first way is using a table. Go to the Insert tab, Table. For example, let's create a small table with two cells. Now let's fill each of these cells with text. If the table borders are not needed, then we can simply hide them. Select the entire table, click the Borders button and select No Border option. Or you can leave the vertical line between the columns as a separator. As you can see, the columns have remained but without borders. The second way to split the text into columns is to use a special Columns button. Go to the Layout tab and find the Columns button in the Page Setup group. If you need to split only part of the text into two columns, then select this part of the text and then click Columns. And the text is divided. If you need to split the entire text, then you don't need to select anything but immediately click Columns and select option 2. Please note that the text is filled from top to bottom and the left column comes first, and then the right one. You can adjust the distance between the columns and the width of the columns themselves in more detail by clicking on the More Columns option. In this menu, as you can see, the text can be split into several columns. We can add a line separating the columns, and most importantly, we can adjust the distance between the columns and their width, which is perfectly reflected in the Preview field. Click OK and all our changes are applied to the entire document. That's all. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.